But to train one of these AI models, the state of the art models, is just takes hundreds of millions of dollars of infrastructure, right? So there are not that many organizations in the world that can do that at the biggest scale today. And now it gets more efficient every day. Um, so I do think that will be available to more folks over time. But I just think like there's all this innovation out there that people can create, and I just think that we'll also learn a lot by seeing what the whole community of students and hackers and startups and different folks build with this, and that's kind of been how we've approached this. And
What were you working on in terms of release, in terms of the vision for that?
well, a lot of what we're doing is taking the first version, which was primarily this research version, and trying to now build a version that has all of the latest state of the art safety precautions built in, and we're using some more data to train it from across our services, but a lot of the work that we're doing internally is really just focused on making sure that this is as aligned and responsible as possible. And we're building a lot of our own. We're talking about kind of the open source infrastructure, but the main thing that we focus on building here, a lot of product experiences to help people connect and express themselves. So we're gonna. I've talked about a bunch of this stuff, but then you'll have an assistant that you can talk to in WhatsApp. I think in the future every creator will have kind of an AI agent that can kind of act on their behalf, that their fans can talk to. I want to get to the point where every small business basically has an AI agent that people can talk to for to do commerce and customer support and things like that. So there are going to be all these different things, and Llama, or the language model underlying this, is basically going to be the engine that powers that. The reason to open source it is that as we did with the first version, is that it basically it unlocks a lot of innovation in the ecosystem. Will make our products better as well, and also gives us a lot of valuable feedback on security and safety, which is important for making this good. But yeah, I mean the work that we're doing to advance the infrastructure, it's basically at this point taking it beyond a research project into something which is ready to be kind of core infrastructure, not only for our own products, but hopefully for a lot of other things out there too.